Okay, since Kira loves to pull, I thought I would, for the first time, actually put her to a sled with some firewood on it. Let's see how she does. Ready, girl? Wow, that's too light for you, huh? Good girl. Let's go to the house. Good girl. Good job, Kira. Good job. Go on. Let's go to the house. Good job. Woohoo. That's a good girl. Boy, you could do a lot more weight than that, huh? Keep going. Good girl. Good job, Kira. What a big girl you are. Here, let's go to the woodshed. I have no idea what a woodshed is. We've been taught that before, so. Come on, Kira, this way. Let's go to the shed. Good girl. Whoops. Made too much noise right there, huh? Keep going. Good girl. We're almost there. There's the woodshed. Come on. Good girl. Stand. Stay. Good job, Kira. Stand. Let's unhook you. Wait. Kira. Good girl. Good job. Oh, it's a good job. Good girl.